Miso soup or flour vermicelli is a great choice for those who are on soft diet, the elderly or toddler. It is silky smooth, very tasty and very simple to cook. Preparation time is 3 minutes. Cooking time is within 6 minutes. This is for 4 serving. The ingredients are 2 bundles of miso, this weight 120 grams, 3 chicken eggs, 2 stalks of spring onions, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, half teaspoon of sesame oil, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 liter of water. All the ingredients are ready. Let's cook. Pour the water into the pan. Switch on the heat to high heat. Add all the seasoning, salt, pepper, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Give it a stir for a seasoning to dissolve. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. This will take around 3 minutes with the high heat. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Open the lid. Give it a stir to ensure the seasoning do not settle at the bottom of the pan. Now add in the miso. Gently use the spoon to stir and separate the noodles. The crispy miso will soften very quickly once it gets in contact with the soup. The miso will slowly absorb the soup. Continue to stir to separate the noodles until the soup is reduced to half. After 2.5 minutes, add in the eggs. Stir for about 10 seconds. Try to break all the egg yolks. Switch off the heat. The residual heat from the soup will continue to cook the miso and the eggs. Add in the chopped spring onions. I will leave just a bit for garnishing later on. Give it a stir. Add in crispy fried shallots. Leave just a bit for garnishing later on. Give it a mix for lovely fragrance. See, the gravy has been absorbed by the miso. At this stage, we only have just a little bit of soup. By the time we eat, miso will absorb most of the soup. Alright, a simple and delicious miso soup is ready. Now we can dish out and serve. Sprinkle some balance of the spring onions and crispy fried shallots. Let's eat. Delicious and very fragrant. The miso is very soft and smooth, very tasty and flavorful. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more simple and delicious recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.